Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create stickers in Cricut Design Space. This is a very easy to do process, so I'm trying to make this short and straight to the point. I already have my canvas uploaded with my images. If you guys don't know how to upload images into Cricut Design Space, I do have a video and I will put it on the screen somewhere right now. So click it, learn how to upload your images, and then come on back to this video. Now the first thing I'm going to do is resize my images. Normally I make my stickers anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2 inches unless the customer wants something bigger or smaller. So we're going to change our image size, and then we are going to create an offset. So we're going to click our image, and then at the top of the screen we are going to click offset. What this does is create a border around the sticker. So sometimes you guys see the sticker that has the image and then there's just a tiny white layer around it. This is what we're doing here. So if you don't want the tiny white layer, you just go ahead and resize your images and then go to print to cut. So I'm going to make my offset a 0.05. You can make it as big and as small as you want. Just play around and see what works for you, but a 0.05 for stickers is perfect for me. So you're going to click apply, and once it pulls up, you want to change it to the color you want. I'm going to change mine to white. Then you want to select both images, the offset you just made in the image of your sticker, and you want to flatten. This way it doesn't cut the white in your picture separate. Now you want to just do the same thing to every image that you want to cut on your sticker sheet. So once you get all your images resized and all your offsets together and flattened, you want to save. You should have already saved your images in the process of creating. I'm sorry, I should have told you guys that, because anything can happen when you create and you will lose all your work. A power outage, your computer messing up, just anything. So always remember to save your work when you begin, in the middle, and of course at the end of your final product being done. Save your work. Once you're saved, you can go ahead and click make it and print and cut, and we'll be back with the final product. Hey, we got our stickers printed and cut, you guys. As you can see, these are Kiss Cut stickers. That means they are not on a sheet. But if you guys want to keep your stickers on the sheet, what would you do is change the pressure, the default pressure, to less pressure before you guys send it to the machine to be cut. And that way it will still cut out the sticker, but they will still stay on one sheet instead of coming out individual. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys create any stickers or anything from any of my videos, join my Facebook group and share them with us. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting!
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking. enemy is stop, don't stop, don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop.
Okay, so once you have created all your offsets and flattened, if you are cutting them with offsets, you want to go ahead and save your work. You should have been saved your work while you was in the middle of creating, but I did not do that. I should have, because anything can happen while you are creating. Your power can go out, your computer can start messing up, just anything. So always save right when you begin your work, and in the middle of you self-creating, just save. So get your things saved and click make it, and I will be back, you guys, with our final product.